What's up, YouTube? I have two videos to make today. The first one is going to be about this mess in my room. Um, so I'm a person who suffers from depression. Um, on most days I'm good, but every now and then I have days where I'm not doing good. So what you see comes from a couple of days where I just didn't feel like doing anything. And this is what happens for a person who suffers with depression. You see the mess and you know the mess needs to be cleaned up, but you just don't have the energy or the drive or the willingness to actually clean it up. It's not laziness. That's just a symptom of depression. So today I'm actually in a better mood and feeling better about myself today. So I'm actually going to tackle the room and then probably Sunday tackle my closet, because my closet looks a mess too. I'm actually kind of scared to show y'all my closet because my closet look worse. Because I've even had this talk with my husband where he even understands because he knows what's going on with me and how long I've been dealing with it and how bad my symptoms of depression can be. But the way I choose to deal with it is I found better ways of coping with my feelings. And if it wasn't for certain people in my family, I would be dead right now. And that's the truth. I would not be living. I would not be talking to y'all. I would be dead right now because I have tried 3 times to kill myself in the past. But I have come a long way from there. I've even been put in a mental institution for a little while. But like I said, I have come a long way from there to where I have coping mechanisms now that allow me to be who I am today. One of those coping mechanisms being my husband and my daughter. There's a lot of times when my husband will tell me, get yourself in order. You got to get yourself in order because you're allowing your feelings to take over. Your feelings and emotions are running over you. Even my younger sister, because I talk to my younger sister a lot, and she tell me all the time, Sarah, you have to control your emotions instead of letting your emotions control you. And you know what? Her and my husband were completely right. I'm one of those people, I feel everybody's emotions. Everybody's. And there's days where I can't tell if what I'm feeling are my emotions or someone else's emotions that I'm channeling. And that causes some of the depression too. But what I am going to do is, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and tackle this room and clean it up because it's got to get cleaned up. I got some things that need to be thrown out. I got some things that need to go elsewhere. And I got to figure out where elsewhere is. Since I haven't cleaned the closet. And then when I'm done cleaning up, I will show y'all what it looked like in here after I cleaned up. So, here's a last look at my room before it gets cleaned, y'all. As you know, they say cleanliness is next to godliness, but looking like this, the devil must have been up in here. Because if y'all can see, I got some of my stuff is in the floor. Because my daughter pulls everything out. All my daughter's stuff in the floor. And some of my husband's stuff is in the floor. So, yeah. I got a lot to pick up. So I am going to tackle it. And I'll be back when I'm done. Bye, y'all.